Now, you may just see me as a normal Dodo here, but I am a Dodo on a mission right now because just just yesterday I was going to fight the Ender Dragon, and I did not realize that I actually had no idea that the end crystals when they explode that they could extremely easily, even from not even like 5 blocks near it, it was like past 5 blocks, that they would one shot you with full netherite, fully enchanted gear. And I did not know this. And when those end crystals exploded, since they apparently go off in a chain reaction, which I didn't know that either, but they go off in a chain reaction, so all of my very precious netherite things got absolutely disintegrated off the face of the end. So it is now my mission to get my stuff back and go back in there and absolutely destroy the Ender Dragon. So that's my goal here. Right now, I'm rocking with what was left in my shulker box that I also had on me, which also pretty much everything got exploded with. But some things that survived, like my tools. But oh man, I've got so many things I've got to get back from that, including my armor, which right now it's not looking too hot. This is all I have right now. And then these are the tools that I have, which I mean, I just use this to, as the name intends, to kill wither skeletons for the skulls and stuff. So, yeah, I got quite some work ahead of me here. Um, yeah, I've really gotta start working on some armor, but first, I need to work on a sword because last time I checked, the Ender Dragon does not care about smite. So this is the sword that I'm going to be getting maxed out again. I also had a maxed out sword that had sharpness and a silk touch pickaxe as well as an axe with fortune, I believe. I don't even know why I put that on there. And a shovel with fortune as well. So I have my sword and pickaxe right here that are the main enchantments I need. Now I just need to get all the extra enchantments. Which for this I just need fire aspect, looting. I think that's it. I think that's everything for the sword. I'm pretty sure the sword only has 6 enchantments. I'll say only. That's actually quite a lot, especially when we look at a list form. So oh man, I definitely got my work cut out for me here. Let's see. So fire aspect and looting. So I feel like the best way I'm gonna get that is through villagers, which I do have about 8 of my own, but I they're gonna be extremely difficult to get into librarians. So that's probably just not even worth it. That point I should probably just go and get some more, honestly. Whoops. Alright, so make some more light turns. So I should have some extra villagers inside of the villager house that I made, which don't judge. Alright, I know it looks absolutely horrendous. It's just I hate villagers more than anything, so I did not want them living a comfortable life. What am I looking here for? So I made them the most atrocious looking house-ish thing, yeah, building that I could feasibly come up with, and it definitely lives up to that. So we're gonna go over there, and we're going to get some villager trades happening. Oh, I got my emeralds. That would probably help. And that was these. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go over here to the village and get some trades done. All right. Oh yeah, I also like to mention that my elytra also got burned, not burned, blown up. So that's great. Oh, I don't have an axe. Oh shoot. Okay, that's not ideal. Anyway, librarians. See if any of them got what I need here. Nope. Come on, summon a fire aspect, please. Please. I beg of you. Please. No. Like they do. Oh man, this is gonna be rough. Oh god. Okay, place So, honestly, my best bet here is, well, I feel like all the clerics have been traded. Well, not that one. I do have clerics in my own. Oh, if only I can make emerald tools, that'd be fantastic right now. I want to do this. This is extremely annoying, but I have to. Cool. Alright, so at least I can make a wooden axe, so I can break them at least somewhat faster. Boom. Oh man, this is rough. I don't know why I did this. I really should have made a new axe shovel already. Come on. Come on. Alright. Cool beans. Alright. That's all 15 of them. Let's place them all down. Yeah, this place is absolutely horrendously disgusting. It's actually tragic how disgusting this place is. But oh. No, I didn't bring books. That's literally what I needed. Or one of the things I needed, rather. Okay. I gotta go grab a book now. I'll be right back again. Alrighty. So, I need to grab books. Alrighty, and we are back here. So, I need to find the villager that has it. Let's see, where is he? Or she? I'm not gonna assume Ginger's here. Where are they? Where did they go? Not you. What? Where'd they go? Is this them? So, perfect. Gimme. Cool. Alright, there's one enchantment ready. Alright, just one more to go. Looting. One of the hardest enchantments I think I've ever tried to get, other than respiration. It is, for some reason, I don't know why it's so difficult to get, but at least in my experience, it has just been so extremely difficult to find. Or get in trades, rather. Alright, I may have to kill a couple of the librarians here. Because their trades are, a lot of them are just locked in. So, they're not of any use whatsoever. Like the knockback one, I don't need that anymore, so that would probably be wise, and especially you. Actually, wait, no. Well, wait, so I need efficiency for a shovel and an axe. So I would need so 2 makes 3, 4 makes 4. I had 2 4, so I need 8. Yeah, that's fine. I got basically infinite arrows. Jesus Christ. Infinite, whatever those things are called. Emeralds. So that should be a-okay. Alright, so that's what? 5? Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Cool. Alright. So there's the... Oh, wait, no, that's only for one tool. Oh, great. I want to do that twice at some point. Okay. Fantastic, actually. Silk Touch. Where'd that go? I should probably also get another Silk Touch with my, Silk Touch. I need Fortune for my shovel. Because that, I need it for... just go ahead and buy 2. I do need fortune though for a shovel, for at least a shovel. So because I have a villager that trades 10 flint for an emerald, and if you have a fortune shovel for at least fortune 3, you're almost basically guaranteed flint. So that's a pretty good trade. Let's see. Okay, well, your other trade suck. That's not very ideal. Alright, so I hate to do this, but don't really need knockback anymore. I guess I'll keep Frostwalker. Your trades are not locked. Efficiency, I do need you. Infinity, definitely don't need you, especially since I can get cheaper for somebody else now. And now our goal here, even though there's no more beds, I just realized that, is to get villagers to breed. And then that will allow for more trades. I don't have any more beds, there's no point in me doing this. And I guess I can give it to them for now, and then whenever they get bred, they can start breeding immediately. Oh yeah. Love this capitalism going on here. Oh wow, you'll thief. Alright, just take all of it then. Oh, I probably get so many emeralds for trading stone. We've been doing a lot of like digging out holes and stuff recently in this world before, you know, I died. And I do play this world with about 4 other people, so that's why all these extra builds are here, kind of all over the place. Normally, I would not do that in a world, personally, but whenever you got multiple people in a world doing stuff, it kind of gets quite unorganized real fast. Like, there's just a giant gate and wall next to a little house with next to like a barn-looking house, next to farms. I mean, it's real random. But I mean, it could look way worse, like some of my other worlds. Okay, so I'm gonna stick all these in here for now. Except for the knockback. Let's see if I can put that on there. You know, I might not even be able to. It's 7 levels. Ignore that. Okay, I even said earlier that all I needed was fire aspect and looting, and I still bought knockback. Well, guess I'm just gonna have an extra knockback book. That's great, because, you know, everybody needs an extra knockback book in their lives. I do need just fire aspect and this protection and looting, which I don't think I have either of those. Okay, that's fantastic. Oh, that's even more fantastic. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, well, alright. So I'm going to need to get more beds to place in the villager place. Which I know I have some in here. There's 4. That's not enough. That's nowhere near enough. I'll probably have to make a sheep farm. Honestly, I might just go ahead and do that. It's pretty simple. Don't really know how to make it off the top of my head though, because I've never made one. But based on what I've seen, it seems to be pretty freaking simple, so probably gonna do that. I just stole the lapis out of the short box in there. Oh boy, this is gonna be a rough journey trying to get this stuff back. But hey, hopefully it's enjoyable. That's what really matters here, is if the journey is enjoyable. If not, then there's no point even having it. So, okay. Man, God, organize is better. Jesus. I still have books on me. Oh my lord. Actually, while I'm still on this topic, I need to make an axe because I cannot deal with having a wooden axe, I'm afraid. Even if I did lose all my stuff, I'd still not be able to deal with that. Do I, what? Am I out of sticks? What? Why? Where are my sticks go? Confused. Alright. Axe. Gorgeous. And put the sticks back in here. Alright. Alright, so make sure I don't have a diamond one in there or something. Stick that there. Man, I'm really running low on resources here. Oh man. That's rough. Alright. So I'm gonna look up real quick how to make one. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I have figured out the ingredients that I'm going to need for this. So I need a dropper, an observer. Okay, so dropper I know is a bow with redstone and cobblestone. Cool beans. Dropper. Not a dropper, a dispenser. Oh man. Wow, okay. Alright. Let's ignore that ever happened. Alright, so and I need one observer, which I may actually just have. Not 100% sure though. Alright, I'm not gonna look. It does say quartz. God, I've made so many of these. I know the recipes at this point. Alright, so observer, cool beans, 6 Gulhusi. Where's the Gulhusi? I just had it. Where'd it go? Or seen it rather. What? So you're telling me of all the things I'm missing, I'm really missing some glass. That's kind of crazy, actually. Okay, guess these things are not powered. Actually. Alright, 2 works, I guess. Alright, actually, while we're waiting for that, might as well go ahead and make, or not make, but grab everything else. So, we need the shears, a chest and hopper. I just seen the chest there. Chest and a hopper. 1 rail. Please tell me I have normal rail somewhere. I don't think I do. Oh no. Okay, I actually don't remember exactly how to make rails. So I'm just gonna grab other 2 ingredients I know you need for them. That's a lot more expensive than I thought it was. Okay. Fantastic. Logic. Love it. Okay. I should probably grab a shulker box actually for all this. Okay. We're gonna use that one. Alright. So, first thing was that. Second thing was that. Third thing was that. The glass. Shears. The chest. The hopper. The rail. Then a minecart with hopper. Do I have that? Of course, I have a minecart with a chest, but not with a hopper. Okay, makes sense. And I will be putting a link to this video in the description. It is by Oink Oink on YouTube. So make sure to support them for this because that is the tutorial that I'm using today. Alright. And then the hopper, bunker, and the glass, and that should be it. Alright, cool. Alright, so we're gonna put this in here, and then we're gonna go build this thing. Alright, I gotta put this stuff away. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, this is, I'm pretty sure, one of the easiest farms, if not the easiest farm to make this. Oh, well, no, actually, no, there's one easier. The snow golem farm, or the snow farm, which I actually do have, but I don't really use it for snow. I use it for the looks mainly. Now I gotta figure out a place to put this, even though really anywhere would probably work. Probably back here. Like right here, maybe? Yeah, right here seems good. Alright. I'm gonna actually start watching that tutorial. Alrighty, so. Actually, I'm gonna stick all this in here. And then just grab everything out of here. Alright, so. Need Spencer first, facing outwards. Right, go back like this. Like that. Wait, has he? Is it 2 on you said? Yeah. Makes sense. Oh, I should have made a shovel for this. What the heck? So you go down about right here. And then, right? So it goes about, oh, that goes way deeper. Oh, God. Whoops. Well, not way deeper, way further back. So exactly how far back, though? So I was just one block off. Okay. Alright. So it goes down till there's 3 blocks left. How far? Right there? So there's glass left, I believe. Right? Yeah, so right here. It goes forward. Right there. Okay. This is that. And then back out 1. Yep. Whoops. Placed it on the wrong spot. So that. So that should actually go right here, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, right there. I should not put my weed away. Dang it. Now I gotta get a sheep in there. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I just gotta get the sheeple in there. Which, honestly, that could be the most difficult part. God, these are so random. Alright, so... I'll go here. And get some wheat. And we're going to go get a sheep out of the kennel. Where did we? There they are. Oh, good lord. Come here, sheep, come here, sheep, come here, sheep. One sheep, one sheep, one sheep, one sheep. No, one sheep, one sheep, one sheep, one sheep. Okay. That's okay if one dies. That's fine. Alright, you, come here. Come here. Alright, we're gonna go right over here, buddy. Go on. I might actually have to use this wool to, to get him in there, actually. Wait. Okay, I was about to be real upset for a second there. Come on. Okay. Okay, what? No. Can they not go into something like that? Okay, well I have one extra block, so I can break that. Come on. Get in there. How? What? Why are the mobs so smart in this? Why is this the most difficult part? What? Oh my lord. Okay, that's not the most ideal thing to have happen right there. But you know what? It's okay. It is okay, actually. Come on, one sheep, one sheep, one sheep. Okay, okay, one sheep, move, sheep, move. Okay. Yeah, this is okay, actually. This is fine. Or not if they just completely ignore the wheat. Come on. Okay. I only need one, but two might be okay. Well, I'm putting both in there. It's just two of them might be fine to have over there. Come on. Come on, buddies. Come on. Why are they so smart? What is happening here? Do I really need to go get a lead for this? I mean, I truly do not want to get a lead, but I might actually just have to. Okay, man, this is really annoying, actually. Jesus. Alright, I'll grab a lead. Alright. So, lead. Perfect. Alright. Got to go lead me a sheep into its impendable doom. You right there. I need you. Oh, he about just walked up in there. What is with creatures in this game and just not wanting to go where they're supposed to? Oh, okay. Like, why? Why is he so intelligent? What's going on here? What? Fine, I'll break that. How about that? Does that help you? Huh? Can he just not get in a 1x1? What's going on here? It's a 1x1, right? Yeah. How? What? How's this possible? Huh? Okay. So for now, I'm gonna break that. Okay. Nope. Get back at. Nope. Okay, so I can get him in here now. That's okay, or not. Not if he keeps leaving, I can't. Ah, that works. Okay. Nope. Get back down there. Nope, get a little further. Nope, get back down. No, get a little. Okay, this is okay. Right there. You really had to hit him, didn't you? Oh my god. Get out of here. Okay, really? Just really? That one little sheep right there just had to ruin that. I had him perfectly where I needed him. Okay, get back in here. Come on. Get back in here, fatty. Come on. Okay, nope, right there. Stay right there. Just stay right there. Stay right there. No, stay right there. No, you little rat. Get back in there. No. Right there. Just stay right there. Just stay literally right there. No, I pressed the wrong thing. No. Dang it. I meant to crouch. Oh my god. No, don't come down here. Come back over here. Come back over here. No, not that way. Come back around. Oh my god, why is this so annoying? This should not be this difficult. Come in here. Come in here. Come on. Drop down. Drop that right there. Oh my god, finally. Jesus. Alright, so I'm gonna do first. I'm actually gonna shear him first. Alright, cool. Put those back in there. God, that's so ugly. Alright, well, at least the hopper system works, so that's positive. Alright. So I'm just gonna quickly see if this works real fast. Aha. It works. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, I'm gonna use this to make me beds. That's why I've created this monstrosity of a creature. It's just for beds. So, yeah, I think that's gonna conclude this first part of the Dodo's Revenge. And stay part for part 2. Thanks for watching.